make sure y'all go like, share, subscribe to the channel because we is giving a free giveaway. So make sure y'all go follow me, DM me. We're gonna make it shake. Shake the block. Stop playing with slime. You already know.
Alright, y'all. So I'm out here at a secret location in Dubai. Yeah, we in Dubai. What we got going on here?
You know I had to duck the smoke
so wait. The last time we did a video, listen y'all. He did not have his car the last time we did a video.
It was getting wrapped and I was doing some other stuff. But now I'm not gonna talk about it, but yeah. So
tell me what you got here.
Smoke Show 2021 Widebody Smoke Show Charger Scat Pack. This is my baby for real. I'm not even gonna cap.
And you ordered it yourself, right?
I ordered it myself. I did everything. I waited. I think it wasn't even 12 weeks because honestly, because everything with COVID now, it was like probably like 7 weeks. I wasn't even expecting it. I wasn't expecting it to the first week of July, but I got it in May. So ever since then, I've been working. Got the 20% for the front windshield, 5% all the way around. I got my wrap done. Y'all know, shout out to SDB.
You know, if y'all remember some of my videos, I gave y'all kind of a sneak peek.
Yo.
It's like purplish, bluish.
Purple, bluish. I got the door. Frank is gonna order the rest because how the rest of the car is gonna go is actually, this pillar is gonna cover the whole car. And the Galaxy gonna be from the hood to the trunk.
So y'all listen, this is not the finishing.
It's not the finishing.
He wanted to see how it looked.
I wanted to see how it looked before I actually completed it because I was like, I ain't never been too big in the wraps.
Right.
But I like to be different, so I definitely have to go there. But y'all know.
Smooth Hemi
_ 392. Yes, sir.
The best salesman at Dodge.
Best salesman at Dodge, hands down. You already know what time it is. Stop playing with slime. I got my LED side markers.
I need to see how them look.
Hey, I definitely had to get my carbon fiber
diffuser. You gonna tint your tail light?
Yeah, I just been lazy right now, and I'm actually trying to figure out what I want to do because I actually, once I finish this, I want to see how I want to do it because I don't know if I want to do a honeycomb or not. But yeah.
Or you can do like your own design. You know how they be having different designs with it.
Yo, because I remember last time I had smooth 345, so I was thinking about going back with that. But I don't know yet. But
started at YouTube yet?
Oh my god.
Come on, what you waiting on?
Shoot. Time.
What's time? You got all the time. Wait a minute, let me see. Y'all, I'm out here riding around looking for content. He got all the content at his hand.
You right.
He at the Dodge dealership with all the cars. You know how many car reviews you can do?
You right, I can.
You know how many more sales you'll get doing it?
You right. So if y'all see this video, I want y'all to make sure y'all go like, share, subscribe to her channel. And then go to the comments. If y'all think I should start a YouTube channel at Crown Dodge, let me know. If y'all say, if I get a whole bunch of yeses, I'm gonna start it. Simple as that.
We might as well just go ahead and start it now.
But no, I got a little starter with the LED side markers too.
You got them at the front too?
Yep.
They look good. Yeah. Is them the tinted ones or just?
These are the tinted ones. The tinted LED side markers. Hey, all my Scat Pack people, all my people that are in the cars, I need something that's gonna work for my, cause that brake dust, it be getting mad annoying.
They say get ceramic.
Like, I did that. I'm about to get that because I ordered off Amazon. But I know it's something that you can put on the wheels too. So I want to see. But cause that, I be coming out to my car 2 days after I wash my car.
Listen, mine be the same day. It's like when I wash my car, I don't even clean the wheels. I'm telling you.
Hey, it was this it was this dude that came up here yesterday talking about he got a plug for some tires. So hey, we might be plugged in, shake the block. We might be plugged in for real.
What's this over here?
A Challenger that they about to do tint on. That's it.
Oh, so they do tint back here?
They do tint back here. They do.
Can they give you whatever percent you want?
Nah.
Nah, the legal. The
Dark
legal.
is legal tint. Dark
What's
is
that?
legal.
30, 35 in North Carolina?
35.
Weak.
Doing tint. This where, you know, they come and do like paint corrections, tint, things like that.
So after that, it's gonna go out there to be sold.
Yep. With tint on it. The darkest legal tint. But like I said, man, make sure y'all like, share, subscribe to her channel, man. Stop playing with slime. Hey, matter of fact, cause hold on, we saved it last time we talked about it, and I hope bro didn't forget. But let me see if I can find it. When I find it, the dude who won the shirt, I'm gonna shout you out at the end of this channel, or the end of this video, cause you definitely won by hitting me up.
You never sent it to him yet?
I ain't never sent it to him, but I'm gonna send it to him. I was trying to shout you out on the channel so you know, but. Once I find it, I'm gonna shout you out, bro, because you definitely won. So next time, we'll do another giveaway. Y'all let me know what y'all want to do.
Oh, I got some new shirts on there.
Oh, for real?
I'm just trying this out.
So make sure y'all go like, share, subscribe to the channel, because we is giving a free giveaway. So make sure y'all go follow me, DM me. We're gonna make it shake the block. Stop playing with slime. You already know.
See, you might as well just go ahead and start your channel. All right, here you go.
Oh, them tough.
That's the back. It's different colors.
I was about to go on lunch too right now.
Since while I'm still here at Dodge, let me give y'all a quick walk around. Listen, they got plenty. When I say plenty, they got plenty of Challengers and Chargers. I think all these over here are like GTs, RTs. That's an XXT. That's a SXT blacktop. Let's see how much they still pricing this stuff at. $31,000. I don't think it's worth it, but you can see they got plenty Challengers. They got a GT Durango up there. I don't think they got any more wide bodies. Yeah, plenty of Chargers. Let me see. Nope, it's not even a wide body posted up front. But yeah, I'm out here at Crown Dodge of Fayetteville, North Carolina, right off McPherson Road. If y'all want any deals, make sure y'all hit up Sam and let him know, you know, Slime Pack sent you. This right here is the GT. Ooh, look at that screen in there. Let's see. Can y'all see that screen? That look good. Hey, what is up, Slime Pack Nation? Listen, I received a product from this company called Suma Performance. It is their ceramic spray. If you know me, then you know that my car is fully wrapped. I wanted to test this out on my car and see if it was wrap approved or wrap safe, however you want to word it. And I received the product about a week ago. I applied it. You know, I've been watching my wrap over the days and nothing has happened. It gives my car an awesome shine. As you can see, my hood is matte black, but with the ceramic spray, it gives it more of a glossy matte black look, and I really like that. Whenever I place anything on my hood, it will slightly slide off from the smoothness and slickness of the ceramic spray. The spray leaves no residue. It's completely spray on, wipe off with a microfiber towel. Everything dries off real smooth and clean. So make sure y'all head over to their Instagram and give them a follow. What you see right there on the screen, it is Suma_Performance. And also check their website out and use my discount code SlimePack392 for 5% off of any purchase that's on their site.
Wow.